Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video we're going to discuss the if conditional in C programming. I have the purpose of this video right up here in a comment, and I also have the header file included, so let's get started with the main function. All right, so I'm going to create a main function, and I'm going to create two integers, age1 and age2. Okay. I'm going to write a printf statement saying enter your age and a colon and a space and end that line with a semicolon. And then I'm going to scan F and I'm going to scan an integer. So I'm going to do that %D. And to scan anything besides a character array, I need this character right here. I'll talk more about this in the future. And then the name of the variable, so age1. Okay. And then I'm also going to write a printf statement saying enter Dean's age with a colon. And I'm going to scan F and do %D and then again age2. Okay. Then I'm going to have my conditional. So it's going to say if age1 is greater than age2, I'm going to use a printf statement, and I'm going to print you are older than Dean, and do a /n and end that with a semicolon. At the end of my main function, I'm just simply going to return 0. Okay. All right, so we have no errors with our program, so I'm going to open a terminal and let's compile it. So I'm going to do gcc if.c and we'll output just if. Okay, so that compiled. Now we'll run it. And it says enter your age. I'm 45. Enter Dean's age. At the end of Supernatural, he was 41. And I am older than Dean. Let's run this program again. And let's pretend I was 35. I'll enter Dean's age at the end of the show. And it doesn't spit anything out. So it doesn't do that conditional. So this was a brief introduction into the if conditional in C programming. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.